this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your buttons not working properly on your PlayStation 4 controller. So the first thing you want to do is just turn off your controller. So you can see mine is connected. Hold down the PlayStation button right here, and we're going to completely turn this off. And we want to make sure there's no buttons stuck or anything like that. So we can try cleaning the buttons. Maybe if we have a toothpick, we can see if there's dead skin or something around here. Just get as much debris out of here as you can, so nothing is falling back inside the controller, and just clean this off thoroughly. Now go through every button and press that down. Maybe there's a button stuck, so we can try this. So sometimes the options button and the share button get stuck too, but we can just press those in. If we ever open up our controller, everything might be misaligned. Now just go through here and just hold this down, and we can try tapping the touchpad down at the same times, and just press everything in repeatedly and go through every button, and do this like 5 or 6 times. Just press everything in except the PlayStation button. That will turn on the controller. So just make sure you press that down, go up and down the controller, and just make sure everything is aligned. Alright, once we do that, now we can reconnect the controller. So let's press the PlayStation button and turn it on and flip it around. There's going to be a small reset hole in the back here. We can just press that down with like a toothpick or something. So if we do this, it's going to disconnect the controller. So let's press this down. It's going to disconnect the controller, and then we're going to have to turn this back on. All right, so we can try that. Now another thing that we can try is if we do have a second controller or maybe a keyboard and mouse connected, we can go up to the top and then go to settings right here and select this, and go on down to devices, and then go to Bluetooth devices, and we want to disconnect our controller from this list. So I have another controller connected, so I'm just going to connect it right now. And under this list, if I go to my PlayStation 4 controller now and select this, I can go to options and forget the device and repair and reconnect it to my PS4. So you won't be able to do this with the device you're trying to disconnect and forget. Otherwise, it will just turn off the controller. You have to use a second controller, second device, and then go to forget. So keyboard and mouse. You could try using the remote play application on your phone to do this. And then we can go to forget device, go to OK, and then we can completely forget this from our PlayStation, and then we can re-add it. So let's hold down the share button and the PlayStation button, and then this should reconnect. And then we can go down to DualShock 4, select it, and then go to yes. So sometimes this fixes my issue. My controller, it will just start spinning randomly, and I have to reconnect it and repair it to my PlayStation. And just make sure no button is pressed in. Go up and down the controller, like I said, and then it should be good, hopefully, and you don't have to open it up or anything like that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.